Unlock the full potential of Higgsfield by mastering its powerful speak feature, turning your voice into the ultimate command interface. First, let's ensure your microphone is properly connected and recognized by your system. Most devices will automatically detect standard microphones. You can usually check this in your computer's sound settings or your device's audio preferences. A clear, crisp audio input is the foundation for effective voice commands. Now, let's dive into optimal voice input. Speak clearly and at a moderate pace. Avoid mumbling or speaking too quickly. Think of it like giving precise instructions. The clearer you are, the better Higgsfield can understand. You don't need to shout, just be articulate. Higgsfield Speak feature supports a range of commands to control your simulations, manage your environment, and interact with the platform. Common actions might include initiating or stopping simulations, calling up specific elements, or adjusting parameters. Familiarize yourself with the core command library to maximize your efficiency. Experiencing issues? If Higgsfield isn't responding, first check your microphone volume and ensure there's minimal background noise. Sometimes a simple restart of the Higgsfield application can resolve temporary glitches. If a specific command isn't working, try rephrasing it slightly. Clarity is key to truly integrate Speak seamlessly. Practice regularly. The more you use it, the more natural it becomes. Experiment with different commands and observe how Higgsfield responds. Soon, you'll be navigating and controlling your Higgsfield experience with effortless vocal precision, transforming how you interact with your digital world.